Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Azeem and I am a B.Tech final year student of Moradabad Institute of Technology, Moradabad. Today I am going to represent my final year project that is attendance system using Cascade Classifier. And this is my team Ankit Varma, Akansha Bhatnagar and Choudhary. We have developed this project under the guidance of Mrs. Kanchan Singh, Assistant Professor, Moradabad Institute of Technology, Moradabad. Most of the organization use two types of our attending system. The first one is manual system in which the attendance is marked on the register by using pen, and the second one is biometric system in which one has to put his or her thumb impression and the attendance is marked. Both the systems have disadvantages. The first system, which is a manual system, it is hard and a time consuming process. If we talk about the biometric system, there are chances of fake attendance. If one have fake impression, then he can mark a fake attendance. And the most important thing is that at the present time, when the world is suffering from COVID-19 and everyone is supposed to maintain a social distance, this system completely collapsed. So our system is a complete solution to all of these problems. This is our system screen, and to mark attendance it is compulsory that the student should register in this system. So first of all we would check that how many students are registered in this system. To check the student, click on the register student button. As we click, we can see that there is a pop-up which is asking a username and password to log in to check the registered student. So we enter username, password, and then login. We can see that there is no student registered at this time. So first of all we have to register a student. By registering a student we cover the three modules: the image capture, image pre-processing, and face detection. So we have to click on the take images button, and before this we have to enter the details of the student. So here we have entered the student detail, the enrollment one, and the name Abdul Azeem. And after this, we have to click on the take images button. As we have clicked the button, we can see that the camera screen is open. We can see that there is a message that images are saved for the enrollment one and name Abdul Azeem. During this process, we have covered three modules. The first one is image capture. There are several methods of capturing the images, but here we are using Euler and Jones algorithm because it is fast and the rate of detection is very high in this algorithm. When the camera screen is open, the first step is to detect the faces. To detect the faces, we are using HAR classifier. For face detection, we are using HAR Cascade Classifier. The core basis of HAR Cascade Classifier object detection is the HAR-like features. These features, rather than the using intensity pixel value, uses the change in contrast value between the adjacent rectangular group of pixels. The contrast variances between the pixel group are used to determine the relative light and dark areas. This allows features to be used in detect objects of various sizes. After face detection, the next step is pre-processing. In pre-processing, we resizes the images into 100 by 100, and also we improves the contrast. So until now we have covered three modules: image capture, image pre-processing, and face detection. The next step is of training the model. To train the model, there is a button, train images. When we click on this button, the train the model is trained. For training the model, we need a set of positive samples and a set of negative samples. The set of negative sample must be prepared manually. Now our model is trained and we can see the message on the screen. When the model is trained, there is a file trainer.yml that is created, which is a signal that our model is trained. So it is the complete process of registering a student. Now we can check that the student whether is registered or not. We follow the same procedure as we followed before. To check the registered student, click on the register student button. There is a screen pop-up asking the username and password. We enter the username and password and login. We here can see that there is a student enrollment number 1 and name Abdul Azeem, which is registered with the respective date and time. So we have covered 4 modules and our system is now ready for marking the attendance. To mark the attendance, there is a button automatic attendance. When we click on this button, there is a pop-up which is asking to enter the subject name. For example, we here type the subject name as Python, and when we click on the fill attendance button, there will appear a screen. Now the screen is appeared and we can see that the camera screen is accurately detecting the face with respective roll number and name. And here we can see that our attendance is marked and a message is also displayed on the screen. After marking the attendance, a .csv file is created in the folder. We can see that here the attendance of the subject Python is marked with the respective date and time. When we open this file, we can see that the roll number and the name with the respective time are marked in this sheet. So this was the complete demonstration of our system. This system can be used in any organization where um, attendance marking system is needed. This system improves the efficiency and the cost of this system is very low. Thank you.